Hello, today's lesson is on these phrasal verbs: take off, take out, and take up. Although they all start with take, they have completely different meanings and are used differently in sentences. In this video, I'll teach you several meanings of these phrasal verbs, and you'll be able to use them correctly in your sentences, okay? Let's begin. One of the several meanings of take off is to remove clothing. Also, we use it to talk about leaving the ground. To leave the ground, especially for an airplane. Lastly, we use take off to mean something becoming successful. To become successful. Now let's look at examples here to show how to use take off when expressing these, okay? First example is number 1. Please blank your shoes. This is something to wear. So the sentence is talking about clothing. So to talk about removing your shoes, we use take off. Please take off your shoes. Next, the plane will blank in 10 minutes. Here we are talking about the plane, which is leaving the ground. So we need take off in this sentence. The plane will take off in 10 minutes. Next, her business blank after the advertisement. Here the sentence suggests that the business became successful. The action is past, so we need to use the past tense. What is the past tense of take? Took. And the past participle form is taken. So we'll be using any of them in our examples, okay? Her business took off after the advertisement. Next, number 4. I want to blank swimming. I'll leave this one for you to answer in the comment section. By the end of this video, you must have learned the usage of take off, take out, and take up. Then you'll be able to know which one to fill in here. Okay? So type your answer in the comment section after you have gotten the explanation of all of them. Now let's look at the next phrasal verb, which is take out. We use take out when talking about removing something. To remove something from somewhere. So when talking about removing something from somewhere, use take out. Also, we use it to talk about inviting someone somewhere. To invite someone somewhere. Before we look at examples on this number 5, I have already included the answer. Took off. The new app took off almost immediately. This is talking about the new app becoming successful. So it's still on take off. Now let's look at examples to show how to use take out. Our first example is number 6. Could you blank the trash before you leave? Here we are talking about removing the trash. Removing something from somewhere. So we need to use take out. Could you take out the trash before you leave? This is a question. Next, number 7. Please blank your books. Here we are talking about removing the books. Removing something. So, take out is correct here. Please take out your books. It means the books are somewhere and you are to remove them. So you take them out. Okay? Next, she blanked her phone and showed me the picture. Here, we are talking about removing the phone. Removing something. So the phone was removed from somewhere. Past action. So took. Took out. She took out her phone and showed me the picture. Next, he blanked his wife blank for dinner. Here the sentence suggests inviting someone somewhere. It's a past action, so we need to use the past tense. Took. Out. He took his wife out for dinner. It means he invited his wife for dinner. Now let's look at the next phrasal verb, take up. It means to begin an activity. To begin an activity, which may be your hobby, something you have passion for, or any activity. Okay? So when you want to begin any activity, use take up in your expression. It also means to occupy space or time. When something occupies space or time, we use take up to express it. Lastly, we use it to talk about accepting an offer. To accept an offer. Or a challenge. Or an opportunity. So when accepting an offer, a challenge, or an opportunity, we use take up in the expression. Now let's look at examples here to show how take up can be used to express all of these, okay? Don't forget to answer number 4 question in the comment section. Our first example is 10. The meeting took up most of the afternoon. Here, I've already included the answer. Took up. It's a past action, and this is talking about the meeting consuming or occupying the whole afternoon. So this is talking about time. The meeting occupied most of the afternoon. Next, he has blank photography. This is an activity. Photography. Here we have has in the sentence. That means we are to use the past participle form of take, which is taken. Okay? Taken up. He has taken up photography. Next, this table blanked too much space in my room. Here, we are talking about the table occupying much space. It's a past action, so we need to use the past tense of take, which is took. Took up. This table took up too much space in my room. So the table consumed a lot of space in my room. Next, she blanked the job offer. Here we are talking about an offer. So take up is correct. It's a past action, so we use took up. She took up the job offer. Last example, they blanked the opportunity to study abroad. You can see we already have opportunity here. So whenever you are talking about someone accepting an opportunity or an offer, use take up. This is a past action, so we are going to use the past tense, took up. They took up the opportunity to study abroad. If you enjoyed this lesson, please type yes in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next class.